Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Writing a reference for an employee is part of maintaining positive business relationships. Being accurate, honest, and professional can help your career as much as the person you are writing a reference for. Employee reference letters do not need to be complicated, but sometimes it is nice to know what you should include. As simple as it sounds, many people forget to include basic details. Start the letter by including the full name of the employee, their role, and how long they have worked for you. This gives the reader the most important information right away. Include your employee's everyday tasks and duties, and don't forget to include those that reflect their soft skills. Maybe they lead meetings or are involved in public-facing activities. Perhaps their role often involves working outside of ordinary hours. Also, include a little information about the person's attitude, as well as the standard of work they produce. There's no obligation to go into detail, nor should you provide positive feedback if you feel it isn't deserved. When in doubt, keep this section short and only include the facts. Keep to the old adage, if you can't say something nice, don't say anything at all. Negative comments will reflect just as poorly on you as your employee. Finally, include contact details and a warm sign-off. You never know when this communication may start a beneficial business relationship or be used as evidence of your own professional behaviour. Your employee might also ask for a copy of their employment agreement. In this case, it's helpful to have well-designed and comprehensive contracts like those provided by RP Emery. Our employment agreement templates are professionally developed to comply with the Fair Work Act. They are supplied in easily editable Word documents, and you can use them as often as you like. For more information, click on the links below. And if you want to solve simple legal problems, cut costs, and take control of everyday issues, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button.